We do have a little bit of relief in sight. A cold front expected kind of to weaken and stall out right over South Texas. It's going to knock temperatures down from 95 to 89, but we'll take it, right? Overall, we are tracking temperatures in the mid 90s through the rest of the week. 95 degrees, your peak high there on Saturday. I want to point out we have 1, 2, 3, 4 highs in the 90s. Likely, I expect us to definitely hit, then 2 more, possibly 3 more additional 90-degree days this week. So if we were to add 7 days to our count, that puts us up to 20 days in the 90s for the month of May. Right now we are at 13 and we are above our average, our current 30-year average. However, during the last century, so from 1901 to 2000, the average was 3 days in the 90s for the month of May. So there has been an increasing trend with more 90-degree days during the month of May. However, last year we had no 90-degree days, so there are some outliers here or there, and right now we are in a hot one. The hot conditions are thanks to this guy, high pressure in the Gulf of Mexico, bringing up that warm and humid air. We have a cold front that's across Oklahoma, but it's not going to make it to South Texas. The one we are looking for is up to the north, coming into the Pacific Northwest, already beginning to produce some rainfall there across Seattle and Portland, Oregon. And this low pressure is going to track across the plains and bring that cold front down into the Lone Star State by Friday evening. However, it's going to slowly move across Texas through Saturday. We see a chance of rain Saturday evening, a better shot of rain heading into Sunday afternoon, and then the unsettled weather pattern does look to continue even as we head into early next week. For now, it's just cloudy out there. It may feel a little muggy. Our dew point is at 73. 75 is what I consider instant sweat, which is it does drop a little bit during the day, but 73 is pretty steamy out there. 75 your current temperature. We are looking at a windy day. Wind will pick up out of the southeast there into the afternoon. Notice 24-mile-per-hour gusts at 3 p.m., 25-mile-per-hour gusts there at 5 p.m. And so that's what you're going to notice the most. On top of the heat, the wind will be a nice kind of breeze, relief maybe from the heat at times. But overall, it's still hot. 93 your high in Corpus Christi, 95 through Robstown, Kingsville, 97. And then we have triple digits into the brush country. So once again, this is a factor of humidity. Where we have more humidity along the coast, our temperatures aren't going to be quite as hot, but you'll have the heat index values. Then as we head further inland, humidity levels drop even into the teens there from Hebbronville to Freer, and basically that lines up right where those triple-digit temperatures are, and that's also where we are going to see our highest fire danger. Very high fire danger across the brush country, high fire danger through much of the coastal bend. Alice, Jim Wells County, remember, did get a decent amount of rain at the end of April, so they have a little bit more moisture in their soil, but overall it's not much for relief. Additionally, that area of high pressure is bringing up hazy conditions thanks to smoke from agriculture burns into Mexico. And on top of that, this weekend, we've got Saharan dust that's making its way across the Atlantic Ocean that likely will be impacting South Texas as we look ahead to next week. In your 7-day forecast, there's those hot temperatures, hot and humid on Saturday. We're still tracking fairly windy conditions, but then we see the chance of storms as we look ahead to next week. Behind that cold front, that takes our temperatures back around 90 for your high, Barbie.